can't make a giraffe. I was like, ha! That's just a dog. And he said, wait for it. Long story short, I owe them $3 grand.
Now you be like,
Ale?
Миллион алых роз.
What?
Fuck you. You know, I'm beginning to think that's exactly what you want to do. Yeah.
Look at this. This is Monster Hunter. Look at this. Oh my god. Finally. Finally. Yes. I'm a huge fan of this. Yeah, this game is going to be really, really, really good. I'm very excited for this game. It's a mod? What? Okay, well, good. I'm going to download the mod. That's a great mod.
So, interesting fact, the cedar waxwing likes to eat berries and things off of trees. Problem being, in the southeast, in the wintertime, the sugar in the berries concentrates, and then when the weather warms up, it breaks the sugar down, fermenting the sugars, turning it into alcohol. Notice how this bird is just chilling and hanging out with a berry in his mouth? This bird is drunk off his ass right now.
রাস্তা থেকে দাঁড়িয়ে আসলে লাইভটা দিচ্ছি এবং সর্বশেষ আপডেট আমার কাছে যতটা এসেছে তামিম ইকবালের অবস্থা তিনি এখনো লাইভ সাপোর্টে আছেন এবং তার
When we first got Charlie, all his adoption paperwork said was he will sit there and just look at you like he's trying to figure out what you are. Yeah. Why are you staring at me? What? What do you want from me?
Now who is it?
Doctor, there's a young woman in emergency. I can't find Dr. Lucas, who's supposed to be on duty.
All right, what's the problem?
She seems to have a foreign object lodged in her vagina.
Oh. Let's go.
Come on, let's get this shit over with.
Where's the foreign object?
It's Poland versus England, a team full of clowns from the arse end of Europe against
Instead of taping your shirt to your hanger like you normally would, all you have to do is slip your hanger through the holes in your shirt and it'll hang it up for you, so you don't even need tape anymore. Like for more life hacks.
I didn't know how often you're supposed to replace those things. It's more often than I had been. All these birds were, all the birds come to our hummingbird feeder. They were lining up to come to our cafe. I was like, we got the best juice in town. Everyone's trying to get a little sip. I opened it up the other day. It smells like a damn kombucha in there. It's fermented. They're getting drunk. They're coming here to black out. They're coming here to do the cha-cha slide and cry on each other's shoulders about how much they love each other. This is an illegal operation. I thought they just liked us.
Mutta pohjoisesta ja luoteesta alkaa vähitellen virrata kylmempää ilmaa aluksi Länsi-Suomeen, myöhemmin myös Itä-Suomeen.
Talvi. Viima hyytää ja koko mantereen on vallannut talvimaraton. Tuollakin on talvimaraton. Kuukausiennuste on valehdellut suunnilleen kuin Putin. Kulkevat Suomen itäpuolitse kohti pohjoista ja niiden jälkipuolella kylmä pohjoisvirtaus jatkuu läpi viikonlopun ja tuo tuota kylmää ilmaa kohti etelää. Jes, kiva, pääsen kokonaan kuviin. Eli winter is coming. Hyvin pieniä, no kärpäsen kakan näköistä siniset ovat noita sadekaikuja. Lämmin, no hyvää iltaa. Tosiaan, kyllä tuollakin tunnuksella säätä löytyy.
Well, not often you see a player getting a round of applause for missing a pot. He's done it again. Well. Can he get it in this time? He's teasing. And he refused it. He likes that corner pocket. He can't keep it out this time, not even the magician. It has to go in. So
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't think this is your room. Hello?
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
So I'm driving home from a wedding. I'm borrowing a friend's car, right? Because my mum's borrowing my car. And I fucking just saw, look at that! It's looking at me! And I'm not scared of spiders, but it looks like it's priming itself to leap. Please. Don't. Jump on me! What am I supposed to do? I don't want to kill it. I don't have a vacuum. I don't have bug spray. Oh my god, it's right on my side, my driver's side. Look. Now it looks little. It's massive. It eats fucking porcupines for breakfast. Get fucked. Ugh. Look at his little face. Ugh.
What are you doing?
Uncle Joe let me paint his nails.
Is he still out there?
Oh my god, the sprinklers are on. Yo, Joe!
see your hands. Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Put them up, turn around. Turn around.
Don't face
all the
us.
way, all the way. Turn around. Turn around. Keep going.
Don't reach for anything.
Put your hands on the wall.
รู้ไหมใครฆ่าอาริยาฮะใครคะพยูนไม่ได้ฆ่ามิงวักได้เหี้ยมาก
Gunnar Gunnarsson? Yeah, there has been another murder. I already know. The victim was my son. You don't seem very upset. We were not close. The killer could be anyone in Helgesund. That's over 7 people. Wait, I'm getting a call. Allow me to slip into fluent English. Hello? Gunnar Gunnarsson? Is it about my son, Gunnar Gunnarsson? Understood. I know who the killer was. Who was it? It was you. You got me.
I was on a flight recently and I was watching this movie Black Klansman, and the guy next to me was this French black dude and he was very intently watching my screen. So I was like, you know what, let me do him a favor, turn on the subtitles so he can follow along. And right when I turned on the subtitles, a KKK member said the N-word about 47 times. And this guy was still very much watching my screen, so I freaked out, panicked, turned the subtitles off. So to this guy, it just looked like I was like, yeah, that part's for you. Hope you enjoyed that. And I was freaking out. But part of me was also like, well, he is French. Maybe he was lost in translation. Maybe he didn't know what they were saying. So I looked up how to say the N-word in French on Google, because I was like, maybe it's completely different. I'm safe. He doesn't even know what's going on. But I didn't know this. Turns out when you look up how to say the N-word in French on Google, the guy next to you can still see that.
I'm going to show you guys a little hack. Just push diet so you don't get fat.
Okay. Who would tell me that this rat is alive? Okay? That seems like that rat, get out of here, is completely freaking dead, right? Yes, I am dead. Watch.
Hi. Are you alive? Hi. Would you like a treat? Okay.
Alright, working on a Toyota today, and this is something that I'm gonna need Ian with because car's still running. Ian, Ian, you gotta. No, no. Ian, what are you?
Guys, the only thing that makes you a real Eastern European is how fake your Adidas is. Check out this jacket. My grandma got it for me when I was 13 at some Ukrainian bazaar / yarmulke / fair or whatever, and I'm 95.7% sure that this is fake Adidas, which which makes it 100% authentic Eastern European clothing.
Tôi khi ngừng trà sữa và uống trà.
Hey, let me call you right back. What up, bro? Where you at, dude?
Hey, Mike, I'm gonna be a few hours late, man. Can you do that thing for me?
Yeah, I got you, bro. You always gotta help out the work homies, and this is how it's done. Mr. Keith. Oh yeah.
Mike, your ass is gonna get fired.
Che toi?
Alright guys, so we're we're checking out a noise complaint. Ian, you seem what you got, man? No noise seems normal. Let's get her.
Just hold your breath. Almost ready. I just have to put some adhesive on my latex nose. Hi, I'm Bananas.
天上太阳红呀红彤彤哎，心中的太。
One time when I was a manager at McDonald's, the girl said over the headset, this lady just screamed at me and said she's going to get me fired and she wants to talk to you at the next window. And I said, okay, why? And she's like, I don't really know. Then she gets to the window and she's just yelling that the girl wouldn't let her order what she wanted to order. And I was like, okay, sorry, what do you want to order? The Daily Double? I don't know what the Daily Double is. No one there knows what the Daily Double is. Did you mean a McDouble? And that pissed her off so bad. And she's like, no, that's what the girl at the first window said. Don't they train you anything? This is on the menu. You have to give it to me. And I was like, we don't have an item called the Daily Double on the menu. We have a McDouble, we have a double cheeseburger, we have a double quarter pounder. I tell her, if we have the ingredients, I can make it for you. You just have to tell me what you want on it. Then she pulls out her phone and she shows me like a BuzzFeed article, like the top 10 McDonald's secret menu items. And she's just going through the whole list. She won't let me stop her. She's just doing the whole list, trying to educate me. And at one point, she looks me dead in the eyes, super angry, points at the screen and yells, "The McGangbang!" It's that type of moment that makes you really reconsider what you're doing with your life. So I really turned things around, and that's why I live in a van now.
Oh no, it's coming my way. It saw me. I compel you in the name of Jesus. Be gone, evil spirit. I think he's actually taunting. He's looking for trouble. Uh-oh. Did he find a target? Let's see what's over here. No? Just driving around. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I said he. It might be gender neutral. Oh, is he really coming this way? Is this happening? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Is this really? Are you kidding me? Unbelievable.
Look at its little butt. Oh.